Hold up. Did you hear the latest news about Pi Network? They just secured $7.52 billion in equity financing. That's right, a billion with a B now. I know what you're thinking. Pi Network? Seriously? That thing where you mine coins from your phone? Well, yeah, and it's about to get wild. Pi Network just went from some app you download to mine coins while watching Netflix to one of the most funded crypto projects in the world. So, should you be jumping on the Pi Network train, or is this just another hype that will crash and burn? Stick around, because I'm going to break down exactly why this is big news, why you should care, and why Pi might just be the real deal. Trust me, you'll want to stay till the end. Hey, welcome back to Crypto World, your favorite place to keep up with the crazy roller coaster that is the cryptocurrency market. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button and make sure to like this video because we're about to dive into some seriously exciting news. And, of course, if you're a regular, welcome back, my crypto crew. I've got something that's going to make you rethink everything you know about Pi Network, because today, we're talking about $7.52 billion in funding. Yes, that's right, billion. This isn't just a couple of dudes throwing some coins together. This is the real deal. Now, let's be honest, you've probably heard about Pi Network before. It's that app where you mine coins from your phone while you're doing literally anything else. Sounds pretty easy, right? Well, turns out, it's not as simple as it looks, but it's working for millions of people around the globe, and the big boys in finance are noticing. So, grab your popcorn, because you're about to get the full breakdown on why this could change the way you think about blockchain and cryptocurrency. But before I break it down, let me hit you with a little teaser. This $7.52 billion doesn't just mean yay, they're rich, it means big things are coming. We're talking about an open mainnet launch scheduled for Q1 2025, which is going to take Pi Network from some quirky app to a fully fledged blockchain platform. But here's the thing, are they really going to pull it off? Will Pi Coin actually make you rich, or is it just another crypto moonshot? Stick with me, because we'll get into all that and more, and you might just want to change your investment strategy after this. Let's talk about Pi Network and why everyone's buzzing. If you've been sleeping on this project, I get it. Honestly, when I first heard about Pi Network, I was like, yeah, right, an app that lets me mine crypto from my phone. Sounds like a scam, or at best, a gimmick. But here's the thing, Pi Network is different. You see, most crypto projects need expensive hardware, massive electricity bills, and advanced coding skills just to get started. Pi Network? You just download an app and hit mine. That's it. The idea is simple, but the scale is huge. We're talking about over 60 million users globally, and you know what? It's kind of starting to look like Pi Network might be on to something. And the $7.52 billion in equity financing they just secured? That's serious money. This isn't some small-time startup, this is a major signal to the market that Pi Network is ready to take it to the next level. So, let's break it down. Why did they get this funding, and what does it mean for the future? Pi Network, what makes it different? So, what makes Pi Network so special? I'll tell you right now, it's the community. While other projects in the crypto space are all about the tech, don't get me wrong, tech is important, Pi Network has been focusing on building a massive community. And it's working. I mean, just think about it. 60 million people mining a coin on their phones. That's a lot of people. It's like having a huge stadium full of fans, except instead of cheering, they're mining coins while on their lunch break or waiting for their coffee. Talk about passive income, right? But here's the twist, they've done this without even being listed on major exchanges yet. Which is pretty wild, considering most coins need to be on at least one major exchange before they can even dream of hitting the big leagues. But Pi Network is still crushing it, with millions of people mining and holding Pi Coin like they're getting ready to cash in when the main event happens. And you know what else? They're not just focusing on crypto for the sake of it. They're building an ecosystem. Pi Network isn't about some quick flip with Pi Coin, it's about creating a decentralized digital economy. People won't just mine and trade Pi, they'll use it to buy things, send payments, and interact with decentralized apps. And that's where the $7.52 billion comes in. This kind of capital is going to help them build out that ecosystem. They're in this for the long haul, and that's why investors are flocking to Pi Network. They're betting on decentralization and the future of digital economies. The $7.52 billion, what's it really about? Okay, let's talk about that $7.52 billion. That's a massive number, and you're probably wondering, why should I care? I don't have $7 billion lying around in my back pocket. Well, first off, the fact that major investors are throwing their money into Pi Network means they see huge potential. Investors aren't stupid. They don't just back projects for fun. They're looking at Pi Network's user base, their decentralized vision, and the fact that they're about to launch the open mainnet. All of that tells them, this could be the next big thing in crypto. With this kind of funding, Pi Network can do a lot of things. They can scale up their infrastructure to handle even more users. They can build partnerships with other tech companies. They can improve user experience, maybe even make mining more efficient. Most importantly, they can push the open mainnet launch into overdrive. This is where things are going to get exciting. The open mainnet, ready or not? Alright, brace yourselves, because the open mainnet launch is set for Q1 2025, and it's going to be the moment that defines Pi Network's future. No more testnet shenanigans, this is when Pi Network will finally transition to a full-fledged blockchain. Users will be able to mine, trade, and use Pi coin for real-world transactions. It's not just about holding the coins anymore, it's about what you can do with them. Now, I know what you're thinking, is Pi coin actually going to be worth something when it hits exchanges? Well, if you've been mining for a while, it's possible that your Pi coins could have some real value. But here's the thing, we don't know yet. The market can be unpredictable, especially with new coins. But what I can tell you is that Pi Network is preparing to make a big splash, and that means there could be a lot of excitement and volatility in the coming months. If you're holding Pi coin, now is the time to pay attention. But hey, before we get any further, if you're enjoying this video, make sure to like it, and if you haven't already, subscribe to Crypto World for more of the inside scoop on all things crypto. You won't want to miss our breakdowns, news, and predictions about Pi Network and other major players in the space. Plus, let me know in the comments, are you a Pi Network believer, or do you think it's just another crypto pipe dream? Pi Network's success is more than just about a shiny app or a new coin. It's about a shift in the crypto landscape. Over the last few years, we've seen a huge wave of investment flowing into blockchain projects, and Pi Network is just one example of that trend. With more and more investors betting on decentralized systems, cryptocurrency is no longer just a niche interest for tech nerds or libertarians. It's becoming a mainstream investment opportunity, and Pi Network is positioning itself to be at the forefront of that movement. This $7.52 billion is just the start. If Pi Network can execute on its vision, it could pave the way for a whole new wave of decentralized technologies and opportunities. And here's the most exciting part, you can be a part of it. Whether you're a miner, an investor, or just a curious crypto enthusiast, Pi Network is inviting you to join the ride. Alright, folks, so there you have it, Pi Network has secured $7.52 billion, and they're not slowing down. With the open mainnet coming in 2025, the future is looking bright for Pi Network, and if you've been on the fence about getting involved, now might be the time to pay attention. But remember, as with any crypto project, do your research before diving in. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below with your thoughts on Pi Network. Is this a project that's going to change the game, or will it fizzle out like so many others? And don't forget to check out some of my other videos to stay updated on everything happening in the world of crypto. See you in the next one.